What is the organization knowledge? You also want to know why ISO 9001 standard requires preservation of the organization knowledge. I just happen to have another video in this channel answering exactly this question. I'm Danielle, and my goal is to help non-quality professionals doing a better and easier work. So what is the organization knowledge? An organization knowledge refers to any type of knowledge such as a registered patent, a unique method of the organization, a unique process or work instruction. Essentially, any type of knowledge that the organization has developed itself. For example, a unique laboratory test method or an assembly process that takes half the time than an average one in the industry. Developing a unique knowledge requires resources such as time and money and experienced employees' knowledge. Therefore, the organization knowledge has value, often a significant value. And it's not just about the money. The organization knowledge can be the competitive advantage of your organization. If the knowledge is not registered as a patent, is often the case due to the high price of the patent registration, there is a risk that the competitors can gain access to the company's unique knowledge, causing the company to lose its competitive edge. In many companies, the unique knowledge residing in the heads of the experienced employees. And that's another risk, because once the employee leaves, the knowledge is gone with him. Therefore, instead of allowing the knowledge to live with the employee, the organization should focus on preserving the knowledge. One way to doing it is through documentation in a form of procedures or work instructions. If you need professional procedures, simply go to easyiso.com website to the downloadables page. You can download professional procedures and make modifications to suit your organization needs and to preserve your company unique knowledge.